Okay everyone, we are back and we are going to trade our Litecoin and see what happened. Let's go to our full chart. And we have it here. Let's see how the market is looking. The market is looking great and I think it's going to rain its price too. Let's see. I think let's make the timeline to 1 hour, reduce the size. You see we are in the good mood for selling and I'm going to do this. Okay, we are going to sell our stocks. Open a sell. Okay, let's go and try to open a sell. We sell that, price ask. We are going to sell at this price and bid is good. Units, we are going to use 100 units, it's 10,000, and we are going to use take average. Not for now, we are just going to sell it. Let's see if our order is placed here. Orders. We have our order that is created with 1,000. Let me see if I can reduce it in size. Okay, I'll reduce it. Working. It's our order. I need to make it topper. Let's see if we can modify the order. Okay, we buy here. Let's say we stop loss at here. What is the price? 104.50, 60. A stop loss 104, 50, 51, 60. Okay, it's good price for a stop loss. And what this ticket mean, I don't really understand, but let's say the price is here and it's going to sell all of our USDs and take profit. What take profit? It take profit at, let's say, take profit at, what happened here? I didn't see. Let's see what happened. It goes to our limit price. What happened? Okay, we get liquid because our stop loss is too near and it get our stop loss, I think, and it's not the thing I wanted, but we make 121 in 102 in. Okay, we get some lost. We lost money. We lost money or win? I can't understand. Account margin is a quantity. Let's say history, field, leverage, buy, sell, sell. I can kind of understand what is happening. Oh, the position has been opened. Now the position has been opened. We need to choose a stop loss or not. Let's say for a stop loss, this position, let's protect position. What is mean? Oh, okay, it can give us the stop loss. Let's say how we can put the stop loss. We put a stop loss here at 1,004, 40, 1,104.40. Let's say 104 and 40. What these tickets do, I don't understand. And we take profit at here. 90, no, here is good. 95, 90, 21. 95, let's say at 95 here. Okay, we modify that. Now, that's good. Now we go out here with how much? What the hell? If the chart go up to here, how much? We are 3% in loss, but it's go here, we win. We create the order. I don't modify anything, and we let it to be open and to see what is happening. Okay, until the next video to see what is happening. I'm kind of want to end this position and take profit, but we are going to wait until the next day and see what is happening. Until the next day, I hope you have a good day, and like and subscribe me if you like. Have a good night.